Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After you have been logged in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to change the shipping address that you have added to your account, click on your account icon once again, and then click on Account Settings. Now, within the Account Settings page, go ahead and click on Delivery Addresses. You will now see the Add Address button if you don't already have any address added, or you might see the addresses that you have already added within this page as well. You can click on the Add Address button and add your address before you delete the old one, or you can delete the old one first and add a new address later on. After entering your street address, your apartment or suite number, followed by your postcode, as well as town and city, you can also enter your phone number if you wish. And finally, you will also have the option to set this as your default delivery address. Make sure to click on this checkbox if you wish to change this address into your delivery address. Finally, click on the Save button, and your address will now be added within your profile right away. You can now directly choose this address whenever you place an order or your billing address as a shortcut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping address on Nike. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.